Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change calendar notification sound and vibration on your iPhone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your mobile settings on your iPhone. So when you are up here with the options of settings, go ahead and tap on notifications. So when you scroll down a bit, you can see the option calendar. Go ahead and tap on it. So here below the banner style, you can see option called sound. So go ahead and tap on it. So here my tone is already set to milestone. You can see many other options too. You can just select any one of your choice. So once you're happy with the results of your sound, you can just select that. And in order to change the vibration, you can see the option haptic just above that. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can set to anyone. You can also customize it if you wanna add a new sound or add a new vibration. Once it's done, you are good to go. And this is how easily you can change calendar notification sound and vibration on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.